How's everyone doing? Today, we're going to talk about a product that lets you exercise while sitting at your office, home, or anywhere Yosuda under desk elliptical electric. This isn't just for workouts, it's a new step toward health protection. So let's get started. Did you know that you can exercise while sitting and working in your office chair? And it's so easy that even the person sitting next to you won't notice. Imagine, no need to spend extra time at the end of the day for exercise. First, let's talk about its low-impact design. It's built in such a way that no extra pressure falls on your legs. This is ideal for people who sit for long periods, from office workers to seniors. It will strengthen your lower body muscles and improve blood circulation. One of its amazing features is the remote control system. You can operate the machine very easily while sitting, no need to bend over. There are 3 preset modes P1, P3, each offering a 30-minute workout session. Additionally, there's a manual mode with 10 different speed levels. And the most fun part is, you can use it both forward and backward. You can move your legs forward while working or backwards either way. Your body will get a workout. Another fantastic feature is that the device works completely silently. You'll be working and the person next to you won't even notice. Thanks to its quiet operation, you can use it anywhere at the office, at home, or even in the library. Imagine you're in a meeting or writing an important email, and simultaneously, your lower body is getting a workout. Doing 2 things at once, isn't that amazing? The Yosuda elliptical electric has a rubber base that prevents movement. It will stay in one place, so you don't need to worry about anything. Now, let's talk about our senior citizens. For those who can't walk for long or have difficulty exercising regularly, the Yosuda under desk elliptical electric is perfect. It's easy to use and requires no assembly. Plus, it comes with a free foot strap to prevent your feet from slipping. It also has a handle, making it easy to move from one place to another. It's so light that you can use it anytime you want. It comes with an easy-to-use LCD display where you can see the workout time, speed, distance, calories burned, everything. You can easily track your fitness. Do you know, since I started using this device, I no longer feel tired at work. Instead, it feels like I'm exercising while sitting at my office chair. Now, let's talk about its speed. You'll get a total of 10 speed levels. Start slow and gradually increase, and in between work, you'll see how well the exercise is going. The most exciting part is, even if you don't notice it, your legs are still busy. Whether it's moving forward or backward, the raised dot design of its pedals makes it even more comfortable. This design increases blood circulation under your feet and improves joint flexibility. It also helps reduce pressure on the knees, making it beneficial for your entire body. The link is given in the video description, so order now and stay healthy. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And that's not all. In our next video, we'll have more product reviews. Until then, stay healthy and stay fit.